Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to hide Steam games from family sharing. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to hide Steam games from family sharing. Steam now offers per game privacy controls, allowing you to make individual games private. Simply right-click the game in your Steam library, select Manage, and then choose Set as Private. This ensures the game is hidden from your friends, your profile, and family sharing users. Keep in mind that using the Hide This Game option only removes the game from your personal library view. It does not prevent shared users from seeing or playing the game. For added security, you can double check by logging into a family shared account to confirm the game is no longer accessible. By setting a game to private, you maintain full control over who can access it while keeping it visible only to yourself, ensuring your library stays exactly as you want. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.